All right, thanks for joining everybody. Today we've got our attendee list is squared away here. Thanks for being patient. My name is Peter McCarthy, and I am going to be the host of this webinar. And our goal today is really laid out in the title here that you can see on the screen. And it's basically a quick seminar in how TPM and our brand of TPM at CX Tech is called Rapid Care can help you accomplish your IT infrastructure goals. So next slide just has a brief agenda in terms of what we're going to be going over today. I won't spend a lot of time on here. We'll have a little bit of time at the end here if you want to ask some questions. During the presentation, if you have questions, please put them into the chat function if you can figure out how to do that. And then that way we can aggregate them all and then address them at the end of the presentation because we want to respect your time. We're hoping to get through this pretty quickly, not keep you here the full hour. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So who I am a pre-sales subject matter expert specializing in rapid care. TPM here at TPM. I began my career on the consumption side of the business, so I was a consumer of maintenance way back when. And the rest of my experience is I've come over into the service provider space. So I now work for CX Tech. I've worked for other service providers in the past. Mainly in the past 10 years, I've been focused on TPM, as it says there. I happen to have a PMP certification. I've got Network Plus. I've got various vendor certifications, Fortinet, Veeam, and things like that. And I'm based out of upstate New York, Rochester to be specific. And again, my role as a pre-sales resource is I support sellers, so people who sell services here at CX Tech, but I also support buyers, right? Because the whole point of this webinar is to explain what TPM is and what TPM isn't. And it can be confusing for buyers and it can also be confusing for sellers. So I get involved in most of the larger TPM deals here at CX Tech to, as you'll see in the presentation, help people understand its fit and its purpose and all that sort of stuff. So